Okay, numerical number 24, that is a small blackened solid copper sphere of radius 2.5 centimeter. Here we have radius that is 2.5 centimeter. After that, is placed in an evacuated chamber. Now this small blackened solid copper sphere is placed in a chamber. So the chamber is the surrounding for the sphere, and the temperature of the chamber is maintained at 100 degrees Celsius. So let it be T naught, because the chamber is behaving as a surrounding for my sphere. Suppose this is the chamber, and inside this chamber we have a sphere. So of course, what will be the surrounding for my sphere? Of course, this chamber will be surrounding. So the surrounding temperature of the surrounding is 100 degrees Celsius. If we convert it into Kelvin, it will be 100 plus 273 Kelvin. 100 plus 273 Kelvin, that is 373 Kelvin. After that, at what rate means it is dq upon dt asked. At what rate energy must be supplied to the copper sphere to maintain its temperature at, this is the temperature of the sphere. We have to bring the temperature of the sphere to this 110 degrees Celsius. So at what rate the energy must be supplied? At what rate heat must be supplied? At what rate heat must be supplied to the sphere so that the temperature of the sphere comes to 110 degrees Celsius. If we convert it into Kelvin, it will be 110 degrees Celsius plus 273 Kelvin. That is 3 plus 0 is 3, 7 plus 1 is 8, and 2 plus 1 is 3, 383 Kelvin. So we have the formula with us. Okay, now something else is also given to us. Stephen Constance is asked to take this 5.76 into 10 raised to minus 8 and treat the sphere as a black body. We are asked to treat this sphere as a black body. We have this formula with us, that is the amount of heat radiated or the amount of heat supplied per unit time per unit area is equal to sigma, which is at higher temperature, or which is asked to bring at the higher temperature the body. So the temperature of the body is greater than the temperature of the surrounding. So 3 that is T4 minus T naught raised to 4. Now this is dq upon dt. A will be taken to the numerator at right hand side. So it is A sigma T raised to 4 minus T naught raised to 4. Now sphere, what is the surface area of the sphere? 4 pi r square. Okay, sigma, and then it is T raised to 4. What is T? Well, let's write it T raised to 4 and T naught raised to 4. Now we'll do the substitution. 4 pi is 3.142, radius 2.5 centimeter. So let's convert it into meter. It is simple, 2.5 into 10 raised to minus 2. Okay, meter. So here it is square, 2.5 into 10 raised to minus 2 once, and square. Sigma is 5.76 into 10 raised to minus 8. Okay, I have just substituted the values. That is R as 2.5 into 10. Yeah, I have told this. Sigma, which is given in the textbook to be used as 5.76, we won't be using it as 5.76. We'll be taking it as 5.67 because in the textbook it is mentioned wrong. It should be 5.67. Okay, so here we'll be using the value as 5.67 into 10 raised to minus 8. Then T is nothing but 383 and T naught is 373. So I have done that. 383 raised to 4 minus 373 raised to 4. After that I have multiplied 4 into 3.142, that is 4 2s are 8, 4 4s are 16, 1 carry, 4 1s are 4 plus 1 5, 0.43s are 12. Then into 2.5 into 2.5, that is 2.5 into 2.5, that is nothing but 25 into 25 gives me 625, and after we have 2 digits after point, so we'll be putting like that point over here, that becomes 6.25. into 10 raised to minus 2 का square, that is 10 raised to minus 4 into 5.67 into 10 raised to minus 8, and this is something wrong. We will be calculating this term separately, and then I'll put the value over here of this term, that is 383 raised to 4 minus 373 raised to 4. And whatever answer of this term comes, I'll be substituting that over here, or I'll be putting that over here, and then after that we'll be calculating this whole term. So let's take this term on the space, that is 383 raised to 4. Okay, and we have 373 raised to 4. We'll be dealing with this term separately. So let me apply log over here. So I have anti-log and then log to this term. Similarly, anti-log and then log to this term. As we have log, this 4 comes behind the log, that is 383. Same will be happening over here, anti-log. This 4 which is in power will be coming back behind log, and 373. Now we'll be looking for the log. Log of 383, we have 3 digits. So 3 minus 1 gives me 2.38 ka 3 will be, you all can look into your log books and tell me 38 ka 3 gives you what? 38 ka 3, let me see. 38 का 3 gives me 5832. 5832 and here 37 का 3 अभी देख लेते हैं. 37 का 3 it is 5717. So it will be 5717 and 3 digits. 3 minus 1 is 2, so 2 pointer. Hope you all are not confused over here. We are calculating this separately, okay? Now, okay, to save the time, I have just multiplied what I have done. 4 into this, that is 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 8s are 32, plus 1, 33, 4 5s are 20, plus 3, 23. So here 3 and 2. 4 2s are 8, 9, 10. So it is 10.3328, and here 4 7s are 28, 2, 4 1s are 4, 5, 6, 4 7s are 28, and 2 over here, 4 5s are 20, and 1 22, 2 over here, and 2 over here, 4 2s are 8, 9, 10. So after multiplying this digit with 4, I obtained this as the number, and similarly by multiplying this digit with 4, this is the number which I have obtained, that is, let me write it over clearly, 10.33, okay, 28. Okay, so this is 10.3328. Now I will be finding, as I did some mistake over here, so for that reason we will be finding the antilog of this digit, that is, okay. Before that, let's see for this one, antilog of this digit, since we have 10 over here, before point, directly we will have, oh my god, it is raining so heavily today. So into 10 raised to 10, because we have 10 over here. If we had 3 over here, it would be 10 raised to 3. It is 10, so 10 raised to 10. And I have seen antilog for 28 ka 6 ka 8. Then I got this as the number, that is 1.936. Now I will be looking for antilog. Since we have 10 over here, we will have 10 raised to 10 into. Now let's see the antilog for 33 ka 2 ka 8. Antilog for 33, 2 and 8, this is 4. So it will be 2148 plus 4, that is 2152, right? It will be 2152. 2152, and after one digit I will put the point. So now I have two, this is again wrong. We had 2 digits. For 383 calculating, I got this as the number, that is 2.152 into 10 raised to 10. After calculating 373, I got this as the answer, that is 1.936 10 raised to 10. And what the connection was there between these 2 digits? A subtraction. So what I will do, I will just subtract these digits, that is 2152, 1.936. let's subtract. This is 4, 12 minus 6 is 6, 4 minus 3 is 1, this is 1, 11 minus 9 is 2, and we have 10 raised to 10 over here and 10 raised to 10 over here, so here it is 10 raised to 10. So we have obtained 0.216 into 10 raised to 10. So this is 0.216. The calculation of this part is 0.216 into 10 raised to 10. Now this still the whole sum is remaining. It contains a lot of calculation. Now we'll be solving the remaining part, that is 12.568 into 6.25 into 5.67. Now in this I have mentioned, right, we will be using the value of sigma as 5.67. In the textbook it is given as 5.76. We'll be using it as 5.67 because this is the right value of sigma. 5.67 in textbook it is printing mistake. Okay, now let's come to the calculation. Into 0.216, 10 raised to 10, 10 raised to minus 4 and 10 raised to minus 8. 10 raised to minus 4 into 10 raised to minus 8, that is nothing but 10 raised to minus 12, and here we have 10 raised to 10. And I'll apply log in this calculation also. So anti-log and then log of 12.568 plus log of 6.25 plus log of 5.67 plus log of 0.216, and 10 minus 12 is minus 2. Now come to the log. 2 digits, so 2 minus 1 is 1. 2 digits, 2 minus 1, 1 point. We have anti-log over here. Now 1 point. Now 12 ka 5 ka 6. What about this 8? We'll cancel this 8 and we'll do plus 1 over here. So now the new digit is 12.57. We'll be looking log for 12 ka 5 ka 7 plus only one digit, 1 minus 1 is 0. We're looking log for 62 ka 5. Again one digit, so it is 0.56 ka 7. Dekho. Here it is 0. 0 minus 1 is bar 1. Into 10 raised to minus 2. We'll see the log for 21 ka 6. Now let's see the log for 12 का 5 का 7. For first one 12 में 5 और 7 देखेंगे. 12 में 5 और 7 ये रहा. It is 0969 plus 24. 0969 plus 24. 9 plus 4 is 13. 6, 7, 8, 9. 0993. 0993. Then 62 ka 5. You should not lose hope, though the calculations are lengthy. 62 ka 5. If you want to score, you'll have to do. 62 ka 5 is 7959. 7959. 56 ka 7. You all should enjoy doing this. 56 ka 7. 7536. 7536. Then 21 ka 6. 21 ka 6. 3345. 3345. Now let's add. Wow. 1.0993, 0.7959, 0.7536. We'll do this number afterwards. 9 plus 6, okay, 6 plus 3 is 9, 2 9s are 18, 9, 10, 15 and 3, 18, 2 9s are 18, 18 plus 5, 23 plus 1, 24, 7, 7, 14, 15, 16. It is this. Then we left this digit, that is bar 1, 3, 3, 4, 5. Bar 1, 3, 3, 4, 5. Now 8 plus 5 is 13. 8 plus 4 12 and then 13. 4 plus 1 5 plus 3 8. 6 plus 3 is 9. 2 minus 1 is 1. 1.9833. Dealing with so many numbers. It is 1.9833 into 10 raised to minus 2. Why I write 12 over here? It is 10 raised to minus 2. Now एंटी लॉग देखेंगे. 98 का 3 का 3. 98 का 3. Yeah. 3 का 3. No, this is 3. 1, 2, 3, right? 7. So 9616 plus 7. 9616 plus 7. This is 9623. Yeah, 9623. So this is 9623. After one digit, I'll put the point. And since I have a 1 over here, it will be 10 raised to 1 into 10 raised to minus 2. So it is 9.623 into 1 minus 2 is minus 1. And since we have minus 1, I'll shift the point. 0.9623. And it is talking about the power, right? The power is in watts. That is 0.9623